Hey everybody, what's going on? Froggy Stonks here. Nothing I say is financial advice, entertainment purposes only. Crazy day. I know a lot of people were wanting to host a space call. I'm kind of burned out. My allergies are destroying me. Everything's crazy here in Albuquerque. Coffee. So I have a bit of a theory on a time frame. It's not really a theory, more of a thesis. It's just it's going to happen. It's just about the time frame. But it's been clicking today. The market tanking another, the Dow is down 500 points, S&P's down like almost 2%. And of course, APE and AMC are down, 4, 5, 6%. And I was like, how could they, why would they be putting this much pressure on both stocks, right? And I was like, man, the market's absolutely tanking. The Fed is hawkish. They're talking about aggressive measures. As Bigums and Randall was saying, we got phase 6 coming up September 1st, which is going to change requirements. I think on margin, it has a lot to do with reporting and margin requirements, which could be very, very bullish for us, and painful for the shorts. So then today I was reading around, looking on Twitter, chilling, and Frank Ness come out, and APE reported short interest is now at 30%. AMC reported short interest 21.17%. This is really, really bullish for us in that the shorts are piling in as hard as they can to knock this price down, because we all know what APE is doing. It's exposing synthetics. There's no way the volume traded should be possible with no price discovery, and everybody needs to buy APE. Once you short AMC, you are now also short APE. So in theory, if Adam Aaron said, okay, let's go out and convert these shares, and we vote yes, or something else happened, like another dividend, then the lenders of AMC and APE would want to recall their shares, forcing shorts to close. So in my opinion, what's going on now, and also APE is at 100% utilization with AMC. So both stocks heavily shorted, 100% utilization, bunch of market fuckery going on. The options chain for APE has failed. It's under review by legal counsel at the OCC. Another exchange another exchange challenged it. I'm wondering if it was another exchange or if it was AMC itself. But we have all that going for us. High short interest, high utilization, all the market fuckery going on. Everybody running around like chicken with their head cut off. The Fed getting really hawkish, wanting to raise more interest rates. And these hedge funds who are short in their positions expected... Let me just use the SPY for an example. Oh, come on. SPY. They expected something different for a market bottom, right? But the problem is the market... Oh, my God. I'm getting a different platform in a minute. The market bottom has not truly come in yet. I predicted the SPY, just like all the other exchanges, would have to touch about 325, right? The pre-pandemic high, right? Or the pandemic high. Here's the pre-pandemic. Here's the crash. We ran, started crashing again. We get a little pump up from retail and some okay news on some numbers from the economy. But the problem is these hedge funds that were short in these stocks, they expected it to come back down to this red line right here. Well, if they don't get it, and they're not getting it because retail isn't selling, the only way the economy could crash lower is if retail sold, then short positions could get the cheap shares and cover their shorts. So the funny thing is without getting that, now these shorts are screwed. Because look at this. It was down, and then boom, right back up to the 420 level. And it looks like it could continue. I'm not sure. I'm not going to try to guess the SPY unless we have some catastrophic event. Then we would drop and see this level, and the shorts would have what they needed. The problem is they're stuck because retail didn't sell. We bought at the bottom of the bottom of our market, right? If we weren't in, it would be completely different. So now they're stuck in their positions, and they have APE to deal with on top of that. So the thesis is, my theory is they're getting ready to cover in September. September 1st is phase 6. We got T plus 35 by September 25th off of the pre-week before APE, where they shorted the crap out of AMC. AMC from about the 15th of August to the end of August is going to have massive failure to deliver, which is what Adam Aaron talked about in the last 2022 annual. He said, we've contacted the NYSE about the failure to deliver, and we plan to do so again in the future. This is the future now. This is the future he was talking about, where he knew failures were going to go through the freaking roof. And I'm telling you, that's what happened on AMC. APE probably already has millions of failure to delivers too. So I'm hoping in September we see covering. And I'm telling you this not to set a date, but to help you understand that I'm not panicking right now because we're down. We were up 20-30% last week on Monday, and now we're down 10-15%. That's how this game works. That's how it's played out all the time. We've gone from 30 to 60. We've gone from 9 to 34. We've gone from 15 to 27. You guys got to pick and choose what you want to do with your shares, buying and selling. If you are selling, I'm not selling. Anything under $100 for me is just a waste of time. But now I'm looking at this as a dip buy opportunity. Next week, I get another injection of cash in my account because I actually got my house sold in Michigan in 30 days. My realtor kicked some butt, got my house sold in Michigan in 30 days, so I'm going to have some cash. I'm going to dump some more, split between AMC and APE. I'll probably do 25% AMC, 75% APE, just because I like APE a little better. It's a little cheaper, and I think potentially it might run first, but I'm not going to try to guess that. I'm going to stay pretty balanced, 40-60 maybe, and I'm going to let both run, and I'll cash out when the time's right. But Phase 6, T35, we got a lot of movies coming back out in theater in September. Avatar, we got Spider-Man No Way Home coming back out. These movies are going to pop. These movies are going to be good. People want to go see them again if they didn't get to see them the first time. And then in Q4, we got Wakanda Forever, Avatar 2, John Wick 4 comes out the first quarter of 2023, and Adam Aaron said in 2023 retail popcorn should be selling in grocery stores, which is a really big deal. That's that secondary revenue stream we're talking about. Hopefully the credit card comes really soon. I hope by 2023. But here's this tweet. I just had yet another meeting taste testing once again recipes for our new microwavable and ready to eat popcorn taste testing. That means flavor, which we hope to sell nationally in the US 2023. Tastes great. Secrets AMC popcorn. We only buy the best grade of corn there is. And the funny thing is here, this is interesting. So plant, people are picking it apart. It might be something, it might be nothing. 2019 is when he started first talking about shorts coming in and predatorily shorting AMC. You can find it on YouTube. Type in Adam Aaron 2019 short sell. Then it says plant by April 28th. I'm guessing their goal is to launch AMC Perfectly Popcorn on April 28th, which is a good time frame. Right in time for the big summer movie rushes, and people can go from the theater to home and they'll see AMC popcorn on the shelf. So AMC will be fresh in their head. They go to the grocery store, buy the AMC popcorn, and they can do a lot of promotions with a lot of big movies coming out. So that's my theory on the popcorn. But my thesis on the shorts is I do believe they're going to get ready to cover in September. This is why we're seeing this bad price action with the downward end of the market. I'm going to try to buy more Monday or Tuesday whenever I get the money in my account as soon as I can. If APE is under, I'll say $7, and if AMC is under 10, I will buy more. If it's not, I'm just going to hold on to my cash. But don't panic. Today sucks. Everything sucks today. It's not just AMC and APE. Everybody's like, AMC and APE's down 5%. I'm like, GME and BBIG and Hycroft and Coors and Revlon. And then, even on the other stocks, what's Facebook doing today? I hope it's not green. I don't want to use this as an example, but Facebook is down. What's Netflix doing? Netflix is down. Everybody's getting liquidated. This is a market liquidation event. We've seen it multiple times. And every time we have one of these market liquidation events, we have a really good bounce back on AMC and APE stock. Real quick, I'll go through the comments. Nick Weber, any more APE? That's because retail didn't sell. Yeah, dude, we heard Ken Griffin, George Noble, everybody in the market that's short the market go, retail's not selling, in a panicky voice. We didn't let the market crash all the way to the bottom, and now the shorts are stuck in their bad plays. Ready for some OAS. Printing so much money trying to prevent the crash, we got them by the balls. Yeah, the more money they print and the higher inflation goes, and I hate to say this, it's actually good for us, because the higher inflation goes, sooner or later people are going to quit buying products. Earnings are going to drop on products. AMC, inflation periods, theaters go up. It's just like the Great Depression. But other products go down. People stop doing their subscriptions with Netflix. People stop buying certain products at Walmart, blah, blah, blah. So if those stocks tumble and AMC is doing good, then it's bad on the shorts. Their longs are going down and their shorts are going up. Good morning. You guys are beautiful. I appreciate you. God bless every one of you. Has a splendid day. God bless. Yes. Yes, Miss Harris. Thank you very much. Nick Weber. FTD going to be in billions. I don't know about that, but I would say tens of millions. Absolutely. It's going to be absolutely insane. Failure to delivers are going to be huge. Jose Rivera just bought more ape. More ape because I think you got it on a really good dip by Jose. I think it's great. I wish I had more money today. I'd be buying today. Hopefully I get it next week. If not, I'm satisfied with my position. Let me pull the chat up so I'm not trying to look through my microphone. There we go. Make sure you put the frog hat on when you drop your money in. I absolutely will. Sitting right here. When I buy, I'll slap a froggy on. We still need a name for him. I'm good. I'm buying. Ready for MOAS. Real talk. Going 8. Yeah, and we got a lot of dude, we have all the catalysts in our court. We've got all the new regulations. Phase 6. We got T+35 in September. We got a bunch of movies coming out. AMC Perfectly Popcorn. Ape dropped, shook up the whole market, and it's Friday, and people still don't have their ape dividend. People still don't have it. Let's go check my poll. Just from the sample group on Twitter, it's considerably went down from about 35% down to about 5%, but we got to check the poll and see what it's saying now. 5.1% of the people out of 355 who have voted still do not have their ape, just on Twitter. So equate that to a sample group of, say, I don't know, 500,000 people. 5%. Anybody not getting their ape not delivered by any broker is an absolute sign that A, they either messed up the paperwork, their broker did, or B, there's synthetic shares that weren't covered. There's something really funky going on right now. I fully believe 100% there's synthetic shares, and we're going to confront that soon. I thought AA said popcorn would be available in stores by end of year. I'm not sure when he said that. I think he said maybe they hoped to, but it's looking, he said popcorn available in stores by 2023, right? It would be beautiful if he came out and they accelerated that process. And you know, he likes to drop a date. He said nothing until after Q2. Well, guess what he did? He dropped the dividend news right before Q2. So he kind of threw a curveball there. Popcorn won't be out till 2023. Curveball comes out, say, in December for the Christmas rush, which everybody knows about popcorn buckets. So hopefully that catalyst hits. That could be another $300 to $500 million revenue stream. With the credit card, the branded credit card could bring in billions. I'm just chilling. The whole market goes down. Yeah, man. Playing Nintendo today. I thought I'd jump on, make a video since I didn't do a space call. Miss Harris, you're such a sweetheart with a beautiful AMC spirit. We appreciate you. I agree. Andy, amazing. Are we going to have 2 squeezes in APE? I don't know. I can't tell you that. I do believe APE will run. Now that APE is 30% short interest, I don't know. Maybe we will. That's why I'm balancing myself between APE and AMC. The thesis on selling your APE to buy AMC is absolute garbage. Meet Kevin came in, took over the space. You know, he came in, he was nice and cool and everything. But yeah, I'm selling my APE because of this, and I'm buying AMC because of this, and blah, 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 and whatever. And then 2 days later, he says he's getting off YouTube, he's getting off Twitter to start a real estate investing company that he's going to let accredited investors get into with him. And to me, it just sounds like he got paid to push a bad narrative on APE. Some people fell for it, which is stupid. Every APE you sell into the open market is 1 share of APE the short sellers can shore up their position with, which is why Chanos bought APE. He said, I'm bullish on APE, I'm short on AMC, because now he can fulfill his short position requirements without having to close his shorts. It's just crazy, man. I just don't know where these YouTubers are coming from with this crap. We're going to have 2 squeezes. Got that? Can 3? I got APE yesterday. All right, man. I'm glad everybody in here looks like they all got their APE. There's still about 5% to 6% on the poll that I took that have not received their APE, and it's Friday. I think you're going to see a lot of news come out this weekend and Monday about people not receiving their APE and or APE possibly disappearing from their accounts. I'm still telling you guys, get away from the shady brokers. Cash App, Robinhood, Webull, all these brokers are garbage. they could very, very quickly go insolvent during a squeeze and you'll be screwed. Fidelity, ComputerShare, and so far it sounds like Charles Schwab did a good job, and I've used Schwab before. They are PFOF, but I highly recommend Fidelity, non-PFOF, buy lit exchange on the IEX, and think about direct registering some AMC with ComputerShare. I'm telling you, once you do it, you're going to understand why it's so important. Every share of AMC that you direct register is one share of AMC that's taken off the market, can't be loaned, can't be shorted, can't be rehypothecated. All right, guys, that's it. Hope you like it. We got a lot of new short interest going up on APE and AMC, 100% utilization, red day, down day across the whole market, which means people are liquidating, trying to flip their positions. Good time to buy. If all goes well and they don't delay phase 6 again, we could see margin calls, we could see share recalls, and we could see covering in September with all the other catalysts coming up. T+35, September 25th. Keep it in mind. Don't panic. Cool as a cucumber. And